I like giving learners a safe place to try and possibly fail, which is why I dig the try mode of screen recording in Storyline. The try mode is an interactive mode where the learner gets feedback, but the performance isn't scored. In this movie, I'll do a quick screen recording of how customers access installation support on the website. Then I'll show you how to insert a screen recording in try mode, and then point out some of the options available and some cool tweaks you can make to certain elements. Okay, let's do a quick screen recording of how to access installation support on the Kinet Eco website. So we'll go up to Insert, and then select Record Screen. Storyline disappears into the background. And I'm going to press F11 to get Google Chrome to go into full screen mode. And when I'm ready to record, I'll select the red button. Select that now. We'll start our recording. So to access installation support, we first go to Contact, select it. Then we come down to the installation support email and select it. And then we'll press Escape when we're done with our recording. So here we are. Storyline has created our screen recording. At the very top, we're going to want to type in a meaningful name. How about just Try Mode? And then Insert As, Step-by-Step Slides, Try Mode Steps. That's what we want. So let's select the Try Mode options. I'll tell you about these a little bit. You have options for captions, a lot of different choices as far as languages go. You have the option to show correct feedback. I generally leave this unchecked. In try mode, if they perform the right action, they're going to be moved to the next step in the process. You have some options for showing hand cursors and hint captions. Regarding the show hint captions, I generally choose when hovered. That means when the learner hovers over the hotspot, they get a hint. If you wanted to make it a little easier, you could select the drop-down and select always. That means they'd always get a hint on what to do. Okay, we'll select OK for the options, and we'll continue on. We want to insert slides in a new scene. That looks good. And let's type in a scene name. How about Try Mode Scene? That'll work for us. We'll select Insert. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is choose a different layout for each slide so we don't have to deal with these master slide layouts, which we really have no use for. So I'll select that first slide, go to Home, just change the layout to something that doesn't have those text boxes. Okay, that way we can see a little bit more what's going on. So in try mode, Storyline breaks the recording into different slides based on the main actions. Because we have just two actions, Storyline creates two slides. The first here devoted to clicking the contact page and the other for clicking installation support email. Let me show you all the things you can edit. Probably the most important thing is the actual hotspot. You know, if it's really small, you can drag it out. I noticed in this second slide that's not exactly right. It should be bigger to cover that whole email spot. So you can edit the hotspots. You can edit the hint captions, the text, for example. This actually shouldn't say click the document window, right? It should say something like click contact. Let's put that in. We'll select our caption. If we wanted to go up to formatting, change the color, kind of like that. Let's select Colored Fill Accent 3. And in try mode, if you make a change to one caption, you really should go to the next slide and make it to the others. So we'll select this one, go up to Colored Fill Accent 3. While we're here, click the document window. We can do a better hint than that. How about click the installation support email? Okay, so let's preview this to see how our changes look. So in try mode, go over Contact, get a hint, click on Contact, go down to Installation Support, get a hint, click on it. Works well. And that is how you insert a screen recording in try mode. Now, did you notice how the software gave us a big old hint as to where to click on the first slide? I'll edit that hint out in the next movie by using Action Fine Tuning.